Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. And it's been a good week. We had church on Sunday, and then Monday we went and got groceries and stuff and went to the gym 3 times this week. And basically it's been a little bit cooler, so we've had a lot of soups, chilies, white chili, and beef stew and stuff like that fixed. And getting ready for this winter storm that they say is coming. And it's supposed to be quite a doozy from what I hear. They're saying we should get between 12 and 18 inches of snow. Hope we don't get that much. But we have been making preparations. One of the things that we did was take care of the chicken. As you can see, we got electric running out here for the chicken, and we are down to one little chicken. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna gain more or not, but we have wrapped her complete coop all the way around in plastic to keep the wind off of her, and I'll leave her out today. At least until until 3 o'clock. You see her water's there. I don't know. I got her food back there filled. So I'm leaving her out so she can exercise a little bit if she wants. But as you can see, just completely enclosed. I do have this door so that will open so I can feed her. There's her food. And see where she's at right now. Up. She is way up high. Can you say hi, baby? Alright, the other thing that we have done, besides taking care of her really well, is all of the cats are inside the garage, inside the crates, and not in the catico. That way I don't have to worry about them getting too cold. And we've got that taken care of. So you can see the catico is empty. There is a tarp over the top. If we get too much snow, I'll have to come and scrape the snow off the top of it. So that is what we've done as far as the animals are concerned. The ones that were outside, they're either wrapped in plastic, nice and warm, or they're in the garage. Of course, the puppy is in the house. I had her out earlier this morning. She's been out every day for about an hour. The porch has the curtains up. We are keeping trying to keep as much air from trapping the air so that it stays a little bit buffer between the outside and the house. The main thing is the greenhouses. We've got the heaters inside of them ready to go if needed, and we've got the long handle snow brush to get the snow off of the low greenhouse and as much as possible off of the high greenhouse. It doesn't reach to the top. We don't have anything that's big enough to reach to the top of that, so we just kind of have to push on the inside and hope that we can get it off. As far as the fish, the heater is in place and they're all happy. The only thing I'm wondering about is that my water lily is starting to produce leaves already. But you can see the fish are quite happy. There's 12 or 13 of them in there. I don't know for sure. Sometimes I can't 13, sometimes I count 14. So we've been getting ready for this winter weather that's supposed to be coming. All the electrical things inside the power banks for the phones and things are charged. All the batteries are charged. We got new batteries for everything. Change the air filters on the furnaces and stuff and get everything ready working. We got firewood stacked for the fireplace and for the wood stove. We got wood inside for that, and we got the cast iron skillets and things ready to go. We have to cook on the wood stove. It's ready. So I think we're as ready for this weather as we're going to get. The pantry's full, the freezer's full. We've got plenty of food, so there's no problem there. The cars are all gassed up and working in good working order. So hopefully if we have to go anywhere, we've got the ability to do that. Hopefully we won't have to go anywhere except to take the dog out and have some fun in the snow if it comes. And hopefully it's not 12 inches. So hopefully you're all prepared. Hopefully everyone stays safe and keep warm. Remember, if you're going outside, to bundle up. Have a good insulated socks, boots. I like the heated socks. I like the heated vest. Heavy gloves. Time yourself when you're outside. Stay outside for no more than 15 minutes to a half hour, depending upon the weather. I have hand warmers that are rechargeable that I can charge. My vest is heated. My socks are heated. I got good insulated boots on. And a nice hat that actually it's a beautiful hat. And it's not the one I got on right now, because the one I really like is recharging right now. It's got a battery, flashlight on the head, and it's got earbuds on the sides, so I can put it on and I can listen to my phone and not have to have my hands free, and I don't have those little buds in my ear. So I love that hat. Thank you, Doug, for buying it for me. And just remember, if you go outside, dress in layers, dress appropriately, and do not stay out longer than what you absolutely have to. And God bless. Dream big, follow that dream, and stay safe. Bye, everybody.